at Lexus always try to achieve the impossible. That is the attitude we apply to everything, with a constant desire to do what has never been done before.
It's like old stories, old fairy tales, the flying cockpit. And this is something close to that flying cockpit.
Looks very unstable.
Going. It wants to go, doesn't it?
Making a hoverboard isn't a straightforward process. We have had quite a few ups and downs because it's normal when you are trying to do something truly innovative.
The system doesn't need electricity at all. We just use the superconducting material. We use a permanent magnet and we use the liquid nitrogen to cool down the superconductor. You just have to keep it cold to have a long hovering effect.
The magnetic track has a certain magnetic field configuration, and this configuration is now also present in the superconductor. And when they are cooled down, then this field configuration is frozen in. When the superconductor stays in this position, it's an art of material science.
When I came in, I think it wasn't going in the direction everyone wanted it to go. But when I seen it, I was well excited about it. I was like, I want to have a go. Let's see what it is capable of. Yeah, within a week, we'd progressed loads. We'd gone from just going 5 meters in a straight line to going around the corner as fast as we could, and then we started setting up the jump and making it higher and making the gap bigger, and we progressed quick, really quick.
Some of the design elements, like the spindle grille and also the bamboo deck of the board, we're almost exactly replicating what's inside the Lexus car. There's the science part of it, and then there's the design and the beautiful part of it where we get to make it look amazing.
Feeling of literally no friction and floating on air. It's hard to describe what that really feels like, man, but it's kind of like a science in yourself in it, you know, you start to break it down. It starts to become less scary and less daunting, more fun.
I started skating when I was about 7 or 8.
It literally feels like I'm starting all over again from the beginning. Now I'm really like, was born again, and then here's a skateboard, learn it.
Superconductivity is a fascinating phenomenon. It's spectacular, but it's complicated.
If we would have known at the beginning what would result at the end, we probably would have said, no, it's impossible. So you have to have dreams. Maybe they will not come true, but it's the direction you work.
As our legendary Takumi craftsman say, the difficult takes time. The impossible just takes a little longer.